When it comes to SQL Server database design and development, experience and precision are everything. At Winning Solutions, Inc., our SQL Server specialists have decades of hands-on experience designing, optimizing, and maintaining high-performance databases. Whether you're building a new SQL Server system or refining an existing one, we deliver solutions that are accurate, efficient, and aligned with your business goals. With over 15 years of SQL Server specialization, WSI has become one of the nation's most trusted providers of custom database development. Our experience spans everything from legacy systems to SQL Server 2019-2022 and Azure SQL, ensuring your database performs across all platforms. WSI's database design services include full architecture planning, data normalization, optimization, and seamless integration with Microsoft technologies like .NET, Power Apps, Access, and Power BI. Our proven process ensures your database is built right the first time, improving performance, streamlining operations, and enhancing decision-making. From finance and healthcare to logistics, manufacturing, and education, WSI has delivered hundreds of successful SQL Server projects nationwide and globally. Whether you need a brand new database or expert optimization, WSI is your partner for secure, high-performing, and scalable SQL Server solutions. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to power your business with expert SQL Server design from WSI.